wabarakatuh. Welcome to my video presentation. My name is Rivaldi Ihsan and I'm from Business Education 2017. Before starting the presentation, I would like to thank the author, tutors, and teacher who helped me with this proposal, as well as my friend who always support me. And now I will present my proposal. The title of my proposal is the effect of promotion and ease of use on transaction decision using ShopeePay. Generally, my proposal are about promotion, ease of use, and transaction decision. Okay, chapter 1, research background. Research conducted by Ipsos 2020, ShopeePay occupies a position as the most superior digital wallet brand in Indonesia. Data is taken from 1,000 respondents aged 18 years and over who have shopped online in the past 2 years. ShopeePay is the digital wallet brand that has the highest penetration in the last 3 months, namely 48% of total digital wallet user in Indonesia, followed by OVO 46%, GoPay 35%, Dana 26%, and Link Aja 16%. From the transaction value, ShopeePay also become the highest at 29% of the total value of our e-wallet transaction in Indonesia, followed by OVO 27%, GoPay 22%, Dana 14%, and Link Aja 7%. The initial survey conducted by research in February 2021 with all FA-UNJ student respondents state that they had used ShopeePay to make payment. From the data beside this, it can be seen if users still have problem when using ShopeePay, so that researchers are interested in researching promotion and ease of use of transaction decision. Chapter 2, transaction decision. The transaction decision is a choice of two or more alternative choice and the obligation to make a decision whether to make a purchase or transaction or not. X1, promotion. Promotion is an effort made by company to inform and introduce product to commerce through advertisement, personal sales promotion, or publication so that consumers are interested in buying. H2, ease of use. Ease of use is an assumption related to the process of decision making when someone believes and feels the benefit of the technology that is easy to understand and use. This is a relevant research theoretical framework, promotion to transaction decision. Amalia 2020 and Rahmawati et al. 2019 state the promotion has a positive and significant relationship with purchasing decision and consumer decision. Laksono and Herwin 2017 examined promotional variable in online transportation companies. The result state the promotion positively affect consumer purchasing decision, so that promotion is an important factor that must be optimized in order to attract and influence consumer. Next, ease of use to transaction decision. Putri and Iriani 2020 examined the direct effect of ease of use on purchasing decision. The result of their research indicated that ease had a positive effect on consumer purchasing decision. This shows that someone will not use a complicated system considering the current phenomenon that is fast and easy in obtaining something. 3. Angono et al. 2018 state that ease of use can positively influence the decision to use the GoPay application. Akram et al. 2017 examined website quality on consumer purchasing decision. In this study, it stated that from the exciting literature, the quality of the website has several characteristics including design, content, usability, ease of use, visual appeal, or another term is website atmosphere, which can influence consumer buying decision suddenly. Chapter 3 Research Method. Title: The Effect of Promotion and Ease of Use on Transaction. Research Place, Faculty of Economics, Campus A, State University of Jakarta. Population: all study program student at Faculty of Economics, State University of Jakarta. Sample: student of the study program at the Faculty of Economics, State University of Jakarta who have bought and made payment using ShopeePay. Sampling technique: pervasive sampling, data analysis technique, simple linear regression analysis. Type of data: primary data is in the form of a questionnaire with a Likert scale model to test instrument, and secondary data to support primary data such as books, journal, and electronic news. Research instrument. This is a original indicator, introduction to the problem, internal and external simulation, adoption indicator. I use the ShopeePay application to make it easier for me when transaction or shopping online. I use ShopeePay because of the influence of other people, friend or family. Information search, personal and commercial source. I got information about ShopeePay from my family. 2. I got information about ShopeePay from the advertisement. Alternative evaluation, assessing some of the alternatives. I prefer to use ShopeePay than other digital wallet product. Buying decision. I use the ShopeePay digital payment application because I love it. Conceptual definition. The transaction decision is a choice of two or more alternative choice and the necessity to make a decision whether to make a purchase or transaction or not. Next, original indicator of promotion reach, the percentage of people in the target market exposed to the advertiser campaign during a certain period of time. Adoption indicator, advertisement about ShopeePay were able to spread widely so that it was easy for me to find out about ShopeePay. Promotional appeal, a motivational argument or descriptive statement embedded and in advertising message. Adoption indicator is the discount on promotion are able to persuade me to transact using ShopeePay. 3. The quality of the delivery of the message. A promotional message is considered quality if it is able to get attention, maintain interest, generate passion, and a safe action. Adoption indicator is the advertisement that was delivered ways to make me believe that transaction using ShopeePay was more profitable. Original indicator 4, the quantity of serving in promotional media, how to schedule AdSense delivery for 1 year. Scheduling AdSense must be regular in a certain period of time. Adoption indicator is ShopeePay advertisement via print or electronic media are much more effective because they will be easier to find. Conceptual definition is promotion is an attempt by a company to inform and introduce product to consumer through advertisement, personal sales, sales promotion, or publication so that consumer are interested in buying. The next is learning to use the mobile payment is easy for me. Indicator adoption is learning to use Shopee Pay to make online payment was not difficult for me. 2. After using mobile wallet, banking become easier to me. Indicator adaptation is after using Shopee Pay, all financial matters and online shopping will become easier. 3. My interaction with mobile payment procedure will be clear and understandable. Indicator adoption is my experience in using Shopee Pay is that the payment procedure is clear and very easy to understand. 4. I will find a mobile payment procedure to be flexible to interact. Indicator adoption is I use Shopee Pay to be more flexible in making payment wherever and whenever. 5. It will be easy for me to become skillful at using the mobile payment. Indicator adoption is it did not take me long to become skilled at using the Shopee Pay application. 6. I will find the mobile payment is of use. The indicator adoption is I feel that Shopee Pay payment are very easy to use. Conceptual definition ease of use is an assumption related to the process of making decision when someone believes and feels the benefit of technology that is easy to understand and use. That's my suggestion. If there is an error in this video, I'm apologize. Thank you for watching. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.